Hey everybody, Ben Engelman here with Friedrich Iowa Realty and the Engelman Team, and want to talk to you. Step 8 is going to be one of the final things, and I'll have a couple other videos that talk about other various small parts of the process to get a little bit more in depth. But I want to talk about your closing and your warranty. So every builder does this a little bit different. Some folks will ask, because of the transition periods, they'll say, "Hey, is there any way? I know the house is almost done. They're just finishing up, fixtures. Maybe they're putting fixtures in, and they just need to clean it. Is there any way I can get into the garage to store some stuff before we move? Because the transition is going to happen quickly." Some builders let you, some don't. So knowing that on the front end before you get started can help you plan better, 6 months, 8 months, a year down the road. So those are types of things that we're going to talk about when it comes down to the closing part of it. And we'll talk about those all the way on the front end, right? When you start looking at warranty, most builders around here have at least a 1-year door-to-door warranty. And some of them will have it very spelled out, and they'll say, "Hey, we're going to cover A, B, C, and D. We're not going to cover X, Y, Z." And so knowing that on the front end of what they're going to cover in the process after and how long is important. And so that's all going to be spelled out in your purchase agreement so that you have a good understanding of, okay, it's 11 months. I'm going to have my 12-month walkthrough to maybe fix any small things that have happened, maybe a joint on a door separated, maybe something's not working right. Those types of things, we're going to talk about that and make sure that you're covered, because just like your car warranty, when you have a brand new car, it only covers certain things. Is it drivetrain? Is it, are there certain things excluded in that? When it comes down to some of your other mechanicals, so your furnace, your water heater, your stove, your dishwasher, microwave, those things, those are usually manufacturer warranties. And so you'll still want to register all of those with those manufacturer sites. And even the work within those, say you have a plumbing leak, you're going to call the plumber because that plumber built your house. And if the plumber is not the same as the general contractor, why should call the general contractor? So that plumber is going to know. It's always good to keep the general contractor in the know of what's going on if you have an issue like that, whether it's electrical or plumbing or HVAC. But all in all, those folks, they're going to have warranties on their workmanship. They're going to have warranties on the mechanicals that they put into the home as well. So, and as always, I tell everybody, CC me in on all of that stuff. I want to know what subcontractors maybe didn't do the best work, or what subcontractors aren't getting back to you quickly, or if you can't get a hold of the builder because the builder's right in the middle of the spring season and they're just swamped, well, maybe it might take me to kick them to get them to respond possibly. So use me as a resource, because I'm here, not just until the close, but long after, so that I can make sure that you're happy with your home and that everything is going smoothly. So, and that if you want to buy a bigger one or downsize, I'll be here for the next one too. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that quick and dirty just process of here are some of the main points that we talk about was helpful. Like I said, I'm here to help the process be more enjoyable. I'm here to help the process have better expectations, no matter who the builder is. So by all means, let me know what you think of this series. Let me know if you like it, if it got you thinking on a different level. And I'd love to have a conversation, sit down, have a coffee, have a beer, have lunch, or over to your house and sit in your living room. So thank you so much for watching this, and have an amazing day, and take care.